Okay, here. I hope you can hear. Okay. This is the last time I had a new red button. Okay, I explained about the buttons contents you can use, but I'm going to little bit more explain the few more example here. The inside the scenes feature folder, you know, if I open like this, okay, this is the after interact folder. Okay, open, and you can go to the framework. Sample framework here, editor usage. Okay, this is just for the each application you can find from everything inside this sample framework, but the samples inside here you can wait not here inside, yeah, samples and inside the scenes. Okay, okay, samples, scenes. What we did earlier, we use a prefab from here. Okay, for the menu and canvas. I told last time if I need one more menu, I can just drag and drop into here menu or button. One button. Last time we used the push me. This one I drop from here. Okay. But this is from the prefab, but I'm not talking about prefab. Talking about example.
老师刚才在讲的是上礼拜的，就是上礼拜的在 Oculus 里面的 Interact 里面的 sample 里面会有一个 screen， 它会有一个，就其实你就把它拉上去，就是你直接把它拉上去，就是非常快速的可以做到。然后就是你不需要再花时间再去旁边的栏位去制造一个去寻找它，你就直接拉上去，对。
Okay, and here.
现在这个礼拜要做的是。
And this is the normal samples we use. Okay, later go to the distance grab later. Okay, distance grab I will talk later. I would like to still explain about the here because the canvas last time we did a canvas. Okay, raycast, but in here raycast here poke button. If you want to start something new, okay, this is one sample you have with just a single one button. Okay, this is one poke button inside poke interactable it has, and this is just button information. This one, no, this is no problem. Okay, just for the information to give you. But this is a simple sample. If you want to start or something for a game or thing, this double click and then go to here, save as more faster for you. Okay, then go to your scene. Okay, your scene. Then you import your assets to here. If you have your own asset to do, your asset you can import to. For example, you can import some asset to 3D assets, 3D object, OBJ file, FBX file, or whatever you've made. If you want, you can import, and then you can put here. Okay.
Okay. Translation 就是一开始老师讲的是说设定 button 这个就是按钮嘛，然后这个是，然后老师讲到说这就只是旁边的讯息，然后老师又讲到说，如果你想要新增东西的话，你可以 import， 就是你可以把它下载，就是 import 进去，就是刚才老师讲的那个，就是变成比如说 button，就是 你可以，对对对对。
This doesn't on. Mate. Where's the no where's the plastic one?
哎，那个塑胶的。
No. I mean this have the plastic one, you know.
Oh.
It's better to keep that one.
Okay.
You have? Maybe. Yeah, like this. No. 这个。
Yes, I put here. New.
No. I mean here we have a.
对啊，I don't know why they use and
It's a strange. Not there. Okay, maybe later check. Okay, it's a need. Okay, we continue. But it's okay. How connected? Come on. Oh, yo. Okay. Because I think when you always you don't need to add this one and this one always. You can just start from this feature framework. Then save as. Then it will save as a scene in your folder. Then you don't need to worry about this one. But additionally, you need to add, if you put a grab or point, you need to put, okay. Wait. or take time?
It's send Wi-Fi.
Oh yeah. Wait, can you bring my phone? Yeah, I think I put it here. Okay, maybe this one also we have to change. Okay. 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 Can you see?
We can see it.
Okay, you can see. Can you see?
Yeah.
This is the button. Okay.
Okay.
This sample one, you have room environment always, and this one, and these are just for the poke button. Use a hand to press the poke button. This one, what we need is a hand poke interactor. Is a need, we need interactor, and hand poke interactable we need. Okay, these are two is need. If sometimes always when we are design the game inside the VR, okay, Oculus have a interactor and interactable. For example, hand poke interactor, and also we need hand poke interactable. Grab interactor, we have what? Grabbable interactor. Okay, when we are making, but this time we have poke, okay, poke interactor and hand poke interactable. What else? Ray interactor, okay, hand ray interactor, hand ray interactable. Okay, that is the concept when we are developing. Maybe you can share this one inside. This also. This is all samples, okay. I want to show the document. Wait a moment. Pictures. Take a pictures now.
Yes.
No, 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 no. I want to explain about the please share this one, this for more your, yeah, we have a group now, no?
Yes.
Login already, Facebook, no?
Yes. But I don't know this Facebook is more. It's more.
It's
Yes,
okay.
it's more.
Okay, I put here, then you may not lose anything, you know, if you forget or things, okay, you can go to here, okay, because this has all example like interact SDK, okay, what we were early did.
刚才上传的就是它有很多的怎么操作或者是详细的资料，所以大家刚才上传到群组里面，大家可以用群组里面来看这个，就是如果不会做的话，对。
Okay, wait a moment. Here. やっと見つかりました。This is in Chinese. Yes, this is good for you. Okay, and this always we have an interactor. Okay, interactable. This too is very important. Interaction means if we make in Oculus, we put a hand. Just we put a hand is no problem. In our sample rig, if we have OVR camera rig here, we have here hand and heads, okay, hand inside right hand we have. This is just a hand up here, okay, but still when we are going to add the interactions, we need to realize, you all need to realize about the what are the necessary things. Yeah, here necessary things is this one, okay. Most important necessary thing is interactions means inside normally in Oculus have two things, one is about interact, other one is interactable. Now you can understand here, if you would like to do the more interaction, for example a grab and use the finger like a spray bottle, we have grab one time, then we need to push the finger, that means we have a group multi interaction, okay. For example, interaction group have a, you know, this interaction group have a poke interactor, grab interactor, ray interactor. These are the three interactions we learn, okay. Their samples, if you lose, you won't want to find them again. What you can do is you can you can go to our sample scene in here, this not this one, here example inside, okay, this one is for the distance grab, this one for the gesture, okay, this one for hand grab, okay, hand grab use example, this one is just grab only, this one grab and use, okay, grab and use. Grab and use means hold and using, okay. We will talk this one because I want to talk about particles later because the what is his name, Ken, yeah, he has a the chopsticks for in temple, he needed smoke for chopsticks, but this one also have the smoke. Actually there is a particle, a spray gun has a water spray, okay. We talk this one later, but in here this is a pork interactor we did last time, okay, pork, we use this pork sample, okay. This is for the Handpose, okay. The ray example also we did last time, we save this one we save, we override the overrode the file, but anyway this one is a touch and grab, okay, two kind of a touch and grab, and this one is a transformer one. This is normally we try in the beginning, okay, we tried in the beginning, but here I explain different set sample because we were talking about the if you would like to go back to buttons or maybe canvas, if you find, okay, again if you are building everything from zero, you always miss somewhere, then you again have the something missing, you may be frustrating, you can find where's the problem, which link I lost, you may be had a lot of issues, then better you go to here always. For example, if you are deal with the buttons or canvas, you open this one and go to here, save as, save in your, this is your place, okay, in here, then you can rename it, okay.
一开始老师是讲说，就是我们之前做过的，就是比如说它有很多功能，比如说 hands grab， 然后就是手拿取的，或者是手就是直接抓，或者是像上次我们教的 poker 就是按或者是点的，然后 ray care 就是还有触碰的，就是教了这些，对。然后老师说你如果说就是因为我们会忘记，就是为什么我们常常会失误，就是会没办法，就是可能我们哪个连接没连接到，对。那老师就教我们说要就是要存档，然后我们应该要存在哪里之类的，对。
好 okay, then I canvas, if you would add, this is a curve canvas, okay, curve canvas, okay, curve canvas, I told that this one cylinder, after put a cylinder, this object, because cylinder later curvature, this cylinder UI canvas, if I change this one, curvature may change, how curvature is, okay. And you can this one, if you don't have any curve canvas, you can use this one, okay, don't save this one, not the curve canvas, just a simple canvas, okay, simple canvas. Inside the canvas we have button. Pork canvas, yeah, this one also the ray canvas, okay, this one is a pork canvas. Then after that you can save as into local folder, otherwise what I save in the same place is the problem, okay. And this one is a pork canvas, okay. Then you can go to the UI here, see you have a UI, different UI, because inside this is scroll view, this one you can scroll down, okay. And the title area, okay, this is a title area, okay, and this is a title, and this one is a scroll, and then content inside, this is the first toggle button, okay. And open it, background, then this is here. If you would like to add something to here, you can background image, you can prepare image like something here, you know, the size, okay. you can connect with that image. For special image you have, you can click this one because it is already here, but if you would like to add your own image, you can add an image by yourself. OK。
老师现在讲就是它现在是一个 poke， 就是我们上次不是有点，就是触碰它然后再滑的那个吗？然后或者是点它的那个，然后它可以改变颜色，或者是去改变它的这个东西的颜色，就是它的背景的颜色啊之类的。对。
And background you can find the okay. This one opacity change somewhere. Okay. Okay, I think first I render and show and then change. Okay. And then this one similar, you remove this one, add to the scene. Okay, the scene. Then next time you don't need to worry or forget things. Then remember what is the project. Project is from selecting a menu or canvas, then find inside the feature something, save as, then head is there, hand is there, or it's a starting point from here, then can save time. Okay. Then the program designing is the next part, what kind of contents, narrow. Okay.
老师讲的就是说，下次可能就是因为刚才不是都会出现这些，就是像是选单的东西嘛，就是之后可能就不会出现在，就是比如说我们想要点一个东西，但是却不会还会再出现一个。
This not a grab, okay? This is a poke.
这是滑点戳，就是主 poke 就是戳的意思。
Okay. This one, use your hand to poke the canvas. Okay.
然后老师刚才讲的就是说，之后可能就不会出现像是 poke 下面还会出现一个就是解释 poke 的原因。
And raycast fast one, this one, okay. This is a raycast. The earlier one is a raycast the curved surface. Okay. This one is a fast one. The flat one. Okay. Raycast flat. Okay. This one is a raycast curve. Okay. Raycast flat don't have cylinder. Okay. And then I can go to this raycast curve one, then later I can change while changing this one. Okay. And then I am going to save as this one also similar. Only difference is here he designed the UI element is a cylinder, UI cylinder. Okay. Then inside the UI cylinder they build the whole canvas. That is why cylinder we twist the cylinder or curvature we change, entire UI change. Okay.
这是 cylinder， 它就是它会让它变成，就是虽然我们刚才。就是制作的可能是不是那么的圆弧形，但是它可以让它像是一个空间，是一个圆。
Because UI using VI design I explained earlier. Okay. That much time taking. Okay, done. Okay, wait a moment. You come back here. Now you guys see, this is curved. See, this one is a curve, okay? You can see the raycast curve surface. Then you change the other parameter. I mean the 4. If you don't need it, you can just go to here. You can down the radius. Okay, radius is 0.1 or maybe 0.5. Yeah, remember poke button, poke canvas or curved canvas, raycast curved canvas, okay, or just a flat surface also you can use. Can you see this? Now this is very smaller, see, with very small cylinder curve, okay, like this. I mean like this kind of very big one, if you would like, you can make. For example, this is a game or maybe interface, okay. Point is here, this one, cylinder interface, okay. This is curve, this is the curvature here. Because he first made the game object UI here, UI game object here, we make the cylindrical surface as a UI, okay, here. Wait. 3D game object, we made a cylinder. This is first make a cylinder. Okay, inside we made this one as a cylinder surface. Here, you can have a cylinder grab surface or cylinder surface. See there, this one. It's very already inbuilt inside the package. Okay, if you create any cylinder game object and then add this one. Okay, and then under this we made a child. Then anything we made under this scene graph. When we are running, okay, when we are running this application in runtime, this interface become a twist, okay, become a curved, because this according to this size. Understand?
Okay, fine. I can translate.
Yeah, this one when we make anything new, here. For example, empty game object, cylinder, this one, okay, and this is cylindrical object we make, okay, then
它就是主要就是让它变成像是一个弧形，可是它可以你使用这个功能，就是使用这个功能，它如果变大，数值变大的话，它的那个范围就变大；按数值变小，它东西就变小。对，
but typical cylinder we have the the capsule collider and many things we can remove them. We use only cylinder script. Okay, this one we don't need this. Remove these all components. Okay, remove these components. And here we have the cylinder. Okay, this one. Or you can just start from the empty game object. Okay, empty game object you can start this one, or simply start from empty game object. Okay, there's a UI curve. Okay, and then add this one cylinder, it's like a cylinder. Then you have a red here, then you can make a cylinder surface, 这个 OK。
这也是一个很简单的方法，你就是直接去输入你要的，比如说你要 UI curve， 对，然后你就直接去新增它，它本来就是一个完全空白格嘛，然后你要直接输入它。
Yeah. Then, for example, this is the cylinder I need. I can drag and drop into this one to here.
对，直接拉过去就好了，它就可以改变。
And this one, if I move to somewhere, some place, because this one already here, this one is my one. Okay. For example, if I would like to make another canvas or things, I'm just going to duplicate this one. Okay, wait a moment.
它就是再把刚才做的东西新增一次，然后再改名字，就是因为怕这样子会混淆在一起。
This one. Maybe because this position in here, this position is very far.
Oh, different position.
Yeah, 这个 because I duplicate this one. Okay, two object I have. 这个 UI element. Okay, this is a I made. Okay, this one is a original one. I make a cylinder. Radius maybe I can make like a 0.8. Okay, we have two kinds. Okay, then if I would like to use the mesh one also, you can make a mesh one. Okay. Then now you can understand, don't think about build up everything from the zero. Package is there. Inside the package, sample use the save as into put in your place. Then it's faster. Okay, then no any big issue about the connections, libraries, and also debugging problem. I know you all are artists, sometimes you cannot find what happened. I can't find my okay. Maybe I didn't save and I didn't set up the other parameter because in here we need to say array canvas inside.
Yeah.
This canvas information, we only have one canvas, that's why. Because here we already put our canvas information, this one, because this is for the interaction. Okay, this is for the only visual. Okay. Visuals we made, but for the primary text, this one, this is all about the canvas information. It's only for this item. Okay. And for here canvas information, this is the canvas we early made. This is the where You see the hand here. OVR interactions, OVR hand, OVR, this is OVR hand inside, okay. Here has the ray interactor, okay. This ray interactor work with the our this here we have a UI cylinder, that's why this would show, this doesn't show, okay. You need to be aware, that's why, because you have a doubt why teacher this was working but this was not working because this was already connected with the ray, okay. This one, okay, this is our hand, okay, pointable canvas module, okay.
就是因为刚才它没有出现的原因，就是我没有抓到。一开始老师是先改那个 camera 不是吗？还是这个原因？ Is this issue or this issue?
No, this issue, yeah.
哦，就是因为我没有抓到，就是抓到这个人 canvas， 我没有去设定它，所以才没有看得到它。
Okay, that's why. Okay, then please, yeah, you can change and see it. Okay, then I go back to the touch interactor to show you. Same. Okay, here another example. Okay, this has this one is for the information only. This is a piece of object. We can find this mesh. Touch hand grab interactable, you can find here. See that touch grab hand interactor, because we were talking about here, you know, the early we have poke interactor, grab interactor, ray interactor, and touch and grab also now recently introduced for this one, interact multi-group. OK，
就是刚才老师一开始他是新增了一个 touch 的嘛，就是刚才那个，就是
interact group multi，
就是它是一个组合，比如说 poke 是戳，然后 grab 是抓，然后 ray 是。像是就是刚才那个文字的那种，就是输入滑的那种，对。
Yeah, then you can see that the interact SDK have the ray, poke and grab.
对，
三个 we have, okay.
这三个我们之前教了这三个，对。
Yeah, then if you get a hand, then it have hand grab interactor, hand grab interactable, okay. Then these two is always together, need to connect. For example, Handpose detection, or this one later we talk. Okay, how? And here you can see this is the yeah, inside here hand interaction. So you can go to the hand. We know this one is today I am going to talk about a synthetic hand. Okay, synthetic hand, because so far we talk about the here runtime. Inside the runtime, you remember that we used the grab interact, you know, grab interactable, or you can remember ray interactable, okay, and poke interactable, okay, and the hand we have the synthetic, this one, okay. Right hand synthetic and left hand synthetic we have differently, we can put into here, okay. Similarly, like early, what we need to do, we need to assign what is the hand, okay.
这个是现在老师我们之前教了，之前教了 grab 嘛。然后跟 hand grab， 然后跟 hand poke grab。现在我们要教的是， 就是 touch hand grab， 就是触碰然后抓取它这样子。
Yeah, then both left hand and right hand.
然后有右手跟左手。
Yeah, we have to put the similar. Here we have the touch grab. This one is a touch grab. Okay. Touch grab hand interactor. We can drag and drop into here. Okay. And then we drag and drop into here for the left hand. Can you remember? Early we did put the grab and poke any. Okay, hand grab. We hand grab interactor. We drop into here category. Okay.
这就是老师一直讲的，就是我们可以直接拉取上去，然后就可以得到一个新的。
Then this one we drag and drop into here and add here this yeah right hand add to here. Okay, and similarly, but this one need the synthetic hand. Okay, synthetic hand need. That's why we can add psych here synthetic hand, because synthetic hand is it has a more detail. Okay, we can have the OVR synthetic hand inside here hands here. You can find that the synthetic right hand synthetic. That's why we put these two together here. Because why we do this one? We have a multi, because the touch and grab. So I explain here. We have multi. This one multi where? So interactor group multi. If we have multi, then we need to make a more not only just only one. Okay, that's why we have the touch and grab. Okay, touch and grab.
它并不只是 touch 到，并不是只是碰到，它是 touch grab， 就是它可以碰到，然后又去抓取它。就是老师讲的是这个，然后它又可以 right hand 跟 left hand， 就是右手跟左手这样子的改变的。
How? Okay, and this one we have a touch grab hand. Okay, we just compile and we can, if you want to do something for you, we can also do. Okay, here you can see that what is the here grab rigid body, and then we have the grabbable, and this time we add what? Touch hand, yeah, interactable. Okay, and this one is last time rigid body, grabbable, hand grabbable. Okay, this time touch hand grabbable. Okay, in the inside here we have collision also, and we can add the something for physics. Okay, physics grab, then we can drop the object into here physics. Okay, and let's go save as we can this one I can make a touch grab. Okay, sample to show how does it work. Okay, inside here you can see just only visuals. Okay, this is just only object pre-set up. Okay, this one if you would, you can add later for like different materials. Okay, but this one already have a texture, no problem. Until it's locked in, this one, see, now this refer, most important thing is don't make any complex understanding. Very easy. Interaction is two parts, interactor and interactable. Interactor group have the poke interactor, grab interactor, ray interactor, and touch grab interactor. Okay, cycle.
老师在讲的就是说，如果你今天在城市里面的话，你可以就是你 interact 跟 interact 就是你可以在城市里面 interact group 找到就是这些东西，然后 interact 跟 interact 就是如果你了解到这个原理的话，你就可以直接在城市里面，就是你就直接用打字的，你就找到这个跟这个，然后你就可以找到这些东西，就变得很简单。
See?
Yes, we can see.
Okay, I touch,
You touch and
grab. See? But it come back because we added the position reset.
我们新增了就是回。
Okay.
大家看懂意思吗？就是老师只是触碰它，然后再去抓取它，就是它不需要就是
Here.
我们一开始对。
This one we add the, what is it? Resetting the positions. Okay. On drop this one, if you have any object, you can add this one. Okay, this one you can see on drop. Okay, on drop we can add this one on drop. This wrapper. Okay, this originally it's provided on drop rest position. Okay, and reset the position into what is the location you need to make it.
We have two on drop.
On drop, yeah. When because it's a on drop here. If you open it, you can see the threshold, y direction. You can change the direction. Okay. This is a physics grabbable. Physics, yeah. We talked physics grabbable last time when we used the throw object, throw arrow. Okay, we explained that one. Okay. Okay, then anything if you would like to add into here, what you need, grabbable, rigid body grabbable, and then touch hand. Okay. For example, here if I would like to add something like for just get a cube. Okay. Empty game here. Okay, this is a cube. Okay. Hello. Okay. Okay.
It's under the table.
I make a little bit more smaller. What is this has?
Touch hand square.
Sorry, here, this one.
This one.
We definitely need a rigid body. Okay. We need a rigid body, and then we need the hand, grabbable we need. Okay, then we need the touch hand grab interactable. Okay, and this one we need to add what? Okay. Which one?
touch hands.
You remember? Hello? Touch hand grab interactable, okay, interactable, okay, grabbable and rigid body, and then the physics grabbable. This one for in case drop, okay, it will reset, right. And then this one we need to add what? Touch hand grabbable, okay. And then what is the pointable object you need to add? What is a pointable element, okay. Then here you can see that a pointable element, you can see that the chess piece, it's drag and drop into here, okay. This is the drag and drop into here. But this one is a, it's already have a collider here, bound collider. It has a convex hull, okay, made the collisions for this one, okay. But it's a mesh object, okay. But for us we have this one, okay, box collider inside. If you want to edit box collider, we can edit the collisions, okay. It's no problem for us. But what is this element? We can just we can drop this pointable object like drag and drop into here. This is a object, okay. And then we need the rigid. We need rigid body, okay, because here you can see that we have a rigid body, okay. And then we need to add a rigid body, any object, yeah, okay, rigid body. And then you see here we can add the grabbable, okay, grabbable object, okay. Then here this one touch hand grab interactable, okay. Then this one is a grabbable, it's like a grabbable, okay. And then in case if you would like to have physics grabbable, okay, we have physics grabbable. There's a cube already there, but this one if you put a mesh, different mesh, you have to drag and drop into here, okay. But here already we add under this one is already this one, okay, already this.
Why we need this?
Huh?
Why we need this?
Because if you release is a drop, you need to gravity. Otherwise cannot make the, okay. Just wait and see. Any mesh, last time if we had a mesh import from the FBX normally grab what we did, import rigid body, okay, grabbable, hand grabbable, yeah, the physics collider, that's it. Okay.
老师刚才他就是设定了，就是 TouchGrab， 就是 TouchGrab 那个程式 TouchGrab 这个程式，然后他也把那个方块，对他现在触碰的这个方块也设置了 TouchGrab 这个程式，其实就是 Touch。
Oh, it's a drop.
Yeah.
Wait a moment.
You said.
I didn't set.
You didn't set.
Yes, I didn't. Yeah, no, not the gravity. Gravity is there. If you add a physics, already grabbed there. Sorry?
Well, you just told me you said.
Yeah, this one we didn't set. Yeah, we didn't set.
老师刚才就是它掉下去了，因为它没有设定那个，就是可以，就是那个地心引力，或者是对。
This is a bound collider, okay, touch, and here we have to have our bound collider, okay, bound collider, I think you need to put this box collider here. Okay, then if we move our hand, is bounded. Okay, and this one we can make like a rest on drop. We can make a threshold like a 0.1 about. Okay. On drop. Maybe this one is very far. I think I moved here. Otherwise, I need to go to your desk.
But actually, it's very far. Like.
Yeah. This is you feel like a closer, but in visual is very far. Just wait and see. Understood? Hannoga nai expression.
Why day night? They are tired.
This one, if a drop, we can make a threshold drop because it's on drop or not. At least 0.0 something drop y direction. He concerned as a drop. Little bit drop. You know the dropping. Yeah, it's that the direction is y. Drop means someone can direct this direction y, but actually drop means yeah.
像我刚才讲的地心引力的问题，就是如果你没有去设定那个地心引力，它就会掉下去。然后老师刚才
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
就是如果你没有去设定那个地心引力的话，像刚才老师第一次的时候，他没有去设定它，然后像现在他要去设定它。Maybe you can show Johnny draw. Yes， 你看他就会回来了。对。
This one is still don't have. See?
对，老师刚才不是设置了0.1的数值，它就会回来了。Teacher just needed 1 point.
You can change and see what will happen.
Yes.
By yourself, okay? But this one is still have some problem, you know.
Just touch it.
Yeah, this one if you touch and it can. This has some problem. We can check. Wait a moment.
Maybe it's just too small.
Here, I think. This one we need to put the grabbable object here. Second, we need to drop this grab into here, and this cube, I think pinnable object, this one we have to put this grab into here. The physics collider is a box collider, and pinnable object is this grabbable. Because we put there, collision is there, but it doesn't collide the grab, because you know the pointable object we didn't set up. Okay, understood? Now, this one is if I put a hand, he can collide. That's why if you put here, he collide my hand.
Yeah.
And then didn't stick on a hand. Because stick on a hand, because this I didn't set this. I said earlier. See this one. This is a bounding collide, because this one doesn't have the box collider, because this is a bound one is in here. Okay, and this inside, because he have the this is a bound collider. Bounds collider is a box collider. Okay, but we have already add inside. See, if I would like to edit, see that this is a box collider, but he rename sample rename bound collision collider. Yeah, but in here we already have box collider, this one. Okay, we set up, and this one should be here, and point should be pointable object is this one. Okay. Can you quickly, I can 5 minutes give to try this example at the cube and then try, then you understood. Otherwise, just only looking, hearing, I think may not make any sense. But today have a, you can try here and there. Okay, quickly. Here. Now see the sample whether my one is working or not. Maybe you just need to go away. Okay. Maybe physics parameter we can make the gravity little bit less. This have still have problem, you know. Can you see?
I can see it.
Yeah.
Can just touch and.
It's not the very fast, you know.
Yeah.
This one very fast can.
And
Eh?
it disappears.
No, here.
Oh, here. And the cube can just touch and
But this one.
Yes.
It have some problem. Wait, you open in example there. I'm just going to check this one. Okay. This is the here, can you see? This is a transfer on a second interaction. This one need enable.
Yeah.
And I didn't active this one. Okay, grabbable, transfer on a selection. Okay, second selection. Mass is just 1, drag is 0. Okay, constraint he didn't set up. No, I change. Yeah, I didn't change it. Yeah, I keep it original. Yeah, last day. Maybe and
countdown remedy.
this is do by yourself andちょっと待って
Is it time?
yeah. Okay, this is a homework. Okay, this one, this YouTube the sample, this YouTube sample have the very easy one. Okay, this part is not very hard, very tiny, don't worry. And this one we only less he count down, and then this one normally when we put like a 1 2 3, okay, if you play this one for like this sorry yeah.
Teacher,
Yeah.
learning code. How to
YouTube is easier. But only thing
Just type a
same code, this is just for like the countdown, this is a countdown, this sample is for the countdown, countdown 10 9 8
Oh, okay.
because we want to make our game cup tack 100, then it's down 99 until game over. Okay, and this part this number, okay, this is a canvas. Okay, but this canvas should be in our application. Okay, our application, wait a moment, I first check the sample and come back. Now see,
Yeah.
see TouchGrab,
So just touch.
yeah, touch and then
Yeah. Set on your
hand, yes, release, I can grab and release, see, I can grab this remember, maybe you can here is a very important TouchGrab interactor. Okay, this is a bounding, because this one is a box collider, because our box cube is a cube. Okay, box collider should put here. Normally you don't have this, you have like this empty.
Yeah.
Last time I dropped here, but I didn't add this value. Okay, that means I need to click this one, this is my cube. Okay, this one need to add, that's how is element. But this guy is a different, he made the this guy, see, he made 4 different points. You can find here his this one, he made the 4 different points to teach you, because this is cube is no problem. Sometimes object not just like a cube, we can define the convex point. Okay, convex point. If you set up the convex point somewhere, it's a collision. Okay, game object. This one is it doesn't have any kind of the script, just a mesh collider. Because you download something from internet or Blender you made, or Maya you export FBX, it's a mesh. But this one is a box.
Box.
Yeah, that's why this is a box collider we have.
So
Then this guy, if we put this one, okay, this is a mesh collider, okay, this one the mesh collider in this chess piece. This is the your bounding box inside. You go to here, you find this bounding box, okay. That means see, bounding box is where. Saka.
So if
Then he made the 4 different points. See,
It means this is a
elements we can add where to touch.
就是它会像是，就是比如说它这样就是只有一个支点，然后像这样它就会有好几个，就是它有不同的那种
不同角度。
不同的
here.
支点，然后让它可以站立起来。
哦，那
So-
那如果我们是自己做个模型，那怎么设定这个？
Here you can see that here has a mesh renderer, see, because inside collision part he made a different collision part. See this one,
She asked if
see he made a collision is a 4 different place.
oh
See this one, okay, see, Saka, see, that means this object means collision, see, collision we can define like a different, but this one is just only one cube, this one is a collision like this, but if we have mesh renderer, we have a different collision parts. Understand?
understand. So she asked if she wanna make herself.
Yeah, then you export. When you import the FBX, he will make a mesh collider. Then you don't need to worry about.
But it's just like that. It just
No, this is the separated.
this is separate.
To tell people, no need entire object. Any piece, if you want, you can add into here. See, you have a game object. Bottom, you can add the different mesh part.
So if we model.
Yeah, model you can want to different collision part.
Yes.
You can separate the two.
Yes.
Then this all together you can import as a collision object.
Like this.
Yeah,
different
separate
part.
differently.
So if
It's up to you. You don't need to always make.
we,
It's when you're interacting with, you can just hold like this or hold like this. You think about which part. You know, this one.
yes.
Physically, this is a hold like this. Okay.
Yes.
If you touch this one, this is better to have. But like this, we don't have physically. After adding the physics, it's fallen down. Because this already applied the rigid body. So already had a rigid body. There is a fallen down. Then better to make the touch here or here. It's up to your object, This object is just a kind of like a knight. Then this is just a sample to show you. You can customize the touching area. Then any here, any number of, if you add, you can add by yourself. If you have a chaik, you can add it. Okay. Then you need to export them when you add as a mesh, Then that mesh you can define as the convex hull part. Convex hull means like a concave, convex.
Just
Maybe
all.
yes, oval. Maybe in Chinese, ちょっと待って。
就是全部的。
Inside and convex, concave.
Maybe it's triangle like that. I don't know.
Okay,
Yes.
convex, concave. Okay, then the mesh you need to define here, convex mesh. Okay, any part. That means we are touched from outside, not from inside. Okay, that's it. Okay.
You just
Hull mesh, this one mesh box, this one, you mean this one. When you made a model, if you load your model, okay, this one, for example, if you import your model, bottom you can define one more game object, empty game object, okay, like this. Then the game object, you can add a convex part, then you can add the mesh collider. Inside the mesh collider you load your mesh, okay, you load it, drag and drop into here. Kaima. Then for example, this one, if I load an object for this is a capsule, okay, it's like a capsule, but this one has a capsule collider. Well, this one has a capsule collider. If I put in, go to here, if the empty create a game empty game object, okay, I want to make this one to collision part, okay. Chodamate, convex hull, okay, test, okay, this one you can add mesh collider, okay, inside, then you can add your mesh. What is a mesh? Okay, then now I have a, maybe I don't have one, okay, I don't have a separate one to create, but this one is a, how to say, capsule, okay. Then I can add the capsule. If you have here capsule, can find capsule collider.
I guess I don't see it.
CAP. This is a cactus. Okay, this is in the library, our access store. Okay, and then probably this is a convex. Okay, this one, see, you can make a the convex physics. This one is just a model. You can drag and drop. In you made you in the Maya. If you make your Maya model here, okay, you can upload to your system as a package, together. Big model, part, big model is a mesh, part we concern as a convex collider. Yeah.
As a question,
Yeah.
if I want just a cube and just different, yes, just different.
Yeah, no need,
to-
because cube will no need to different, because cube in here, see, cube have a face, each face, this one, okay, because a cube in here, in case if you would like to do this one, you can make a more larger cube or smaller cube. This is a collision area, this is the surface area.
But if I want just like you just do it, just
What?
I don't know how to say it.
What I cannot understand what you want to make.
就是刚那个那种
对啊，if I want like that, like
Why do we need this one? Meaningless. This is a cube safe surface.
yes.
Why do you want to make this one? This is an object, this is can make a part. If this one separate to another part, what for?
Oh.
What is the meaning? If I put here, I can add the empty game object.
I think can touch it.
That's already have.
Oh, okay.
Maybe don't ask a meaningless question, because this is already can touch this side. That's this surface. But problem in this one, cannot judge the surface, because here is a mesh.
Yes.
It cannot touch this side or that side or this side. That's why he made a mesh. But even this one, no need to. This one for teaching you guys, because this is a sample. if you put here, you can just add this one to box collider. You know, this box collider, if I select this box collider, this one, so this is a box collider. Okay, if I add a box collider, it doesn't touch into here because it's a ending here. That's why we add this one into separately. You move to your hand here, then touch. This one, modeling, then you can model one piece, one small part to here, small part to here, small part to separate.
So we have
Separate. You can separate.
So with this model, we just have to make many parts of the thing.
Original model is this. If you want to touch here, 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 it's better to have 3 different parts.
Oh, okay. We have made one part this and one part.
Yeah, it's this for the not a visual.
Yeah.
Not visual. It's only for collision.
For computer to.
Yeah. Here. That's why we make in here no mesh rendering. No mesh rendering. See, it's only for the collision. We hide them.
Yeah.
Okay, but this one is no any big issue because this is a surface cube, and even touch from this side, the surface touch a surface part. Yeah. Okay, understood? Yeah, no problem. It's a bounding box. For example, if she thinks she wants to make one more to here, like this, for example, just make like a cube, a sphere, 3D object, make a sphere. Okay, this is the sphere. Okay, we made inside. This is our, we can use this one as our sphere collider. Okay, this is our sphere collider. That means if I touch the cube surface, I can go more inside. Okay, and then for example, this radius I can make like a 4. Okay, you see that this is the inside this collision, but in this object for our this element we can add this one. I can add the sphere. Okay, this one I can remove. Okay, now see what will happen. This one this save. But for the sphere, we don't need because the sphere itself have each side. Spherical, capsule or sphere, all unity, inside have a object, collider together. But for you, if you build this hand, you want to touch here, you want to not touch, I mean, the surface touch, they should have a mesh collider. Okay. If you would like to make normally no problem. In the Maya, if you export in FBX, he will generate the mesh. That mesh, when we import into the Unity, he automatically make a mesh and mesh collider together. You don't need to worry. But you need to worry if you want to separate. If you want to separate, then you need to make a separate suka or uka. Okay, now see. Yeah. Now you see the object. Okay, here. Okay, this one. Oh. See this one. See, if I move to hand. Wait a moment. I think I didn't. But the touch collider is a less immersive. Touch collider is a less immersive. We need translator. You need translation.
就是它是比较
You know, if I grab is more immersive. Grab, because I grab this one, but the touch grab is my finger don't move. This is a less immersive.
Yeah.
But a poke more immersive, because why? Touch. This one touch. Okay. Grab, hold. It's more immersive. Like we feel like this. Touch. That's why I don't want to spend more time for this.
Oh,
Okay. Immersive part, when we talk about the grab, poke, okay, and other one is what? Touch grab,
and
ray, okay, ray interactor. Ray is still immersive, because why? I touch the two finger. That means I have a position idea. But I put this one, this muscle is working. It's a muscle. But if I touch this one, my here all move. Then my brain cannot understand location perfectly. If I touch this one, my brain know this is the location. If I grab, my brain know this is the location. If I poke here, I know my brain. My brain know the location. If I touch this one, I feel like location is too huge. The area, I mean the grabbable, attached area doesn't have very precise one point. Point based is a kind of like a haptic. We touch something like a pinnable pin. If you touch this one, is not touchable, and pinnable is two different gynae. How? Now you can see this one is inside is a inside is a sphere, okay, but outside is a cube, okay, and then point is if I, because she asked to change it, that's why I did here cube. This one is I use a box collider because the physics is here. Our where is it? Our touch hand grab here is a collider is a sphere, okay. Collider is here, but our physics grabbable, this rigid body is what? Rigid body is what? Cube is still. Even though we have here sphere, okay, our hand is go to this cube. That's why I think this one we better not to use the cube. You can expand this one, you can drag this one to here, okay. This physics grabbable part, you can drop into this object. Because this is a box collider here, okay. This collision, this one is apply in here, Saga.
yes.
This one, okay. But you can see here we change our collisions. We don't have box collider because we made a bounding collider. It's consisting about 4 elements. Okay, that's why it has 5 elements. It's a consisting. That's why this one is a bound collider. Is a mixture of collision. Here he make this one, then he made this as a one box collider.
Just only touch hand grab need to do that.
No need to do that every, but it's a depend on your model. Your model, you have this kind of uneven surface, so then you need to add. Okay.
老师的意思是说，就是他这样子的拆解，其实并不是说，只像是我们今天教的这样子，就是把它拆解出来。就是其他的，比如说像 grab，或者是 或是 rare，就是我们之前教的，就是它是取决于你的模型是要怎么样使用才去做改变的，那个 measure 啊，这个，对。所以不是只有今天教的 TouchGrab 可以这样，它是取决于想要怎么，不管是模型或者是你想要怎么使用它吧。
Now you see that I change this one to sphere, okay? I change it to the sphere. Okay, then this one is the measure rendering also sphere. Okay, this one I can make this one for if I would like, I can just go to say change this one to cube. Okay, and then the the area for how to say this the element rendering element area bounding bounding box area, I can make the sphere, sphere. Okay, sphere, and then element also sphere. It's a depend on the application and the contents. Okay, then don't worry about it. You need to like hold something very special place, not only touchable here, like only here touch, then you need to separate two items. I think I can explain this one in a spray gun. Spray gun have the two area, bottle, handle, and the controller. Yeah, I can explain it there. Because one object just grab is okay, but for example, knife or maybe a gun, you have some area to walking on, but that is what we call use grab and use. Okay, grab and use. This one is not this one, this is a touch and grab. Okay, then we have one more things to talk in here. This one use grab. We will talk later. Use grab, hand grab, use, interact. That means grab and use. Now what we do? Touch and grab. Okay.
Oh, so it's just like we can.
Now you can see this one. Now sphere is inside. Now my hand is inside. See guys, because the collision area is inside.
Yes,
See, because
just touch.
but you can see now is a you can see.
Yes, I know.
Because now is because inside I set up a cube sphere. That's why. This one you can see that separately this area have this area. Any area if I touch this one, see, grab. If I middle grab, the I can grab because here touch enable, here touch enable, middle touch enable, bottom touch enable, because 1 2 3 4. Okay, but now see it only have inside the sphere. Now you can see my finger is inside across the surface. Okay, because why I stupidly made here, see, for demonstration purpose I change you here. See guys, this one I change this one to sphere. Okay, this one I better to check my cube is this part. Okay, and this part also cubical. Okay, and yeah, this one no meaning at all. Okay, this object we can delete. Okay, now this one is a collision box all. Okay, but in a mesh, if you add your mesh for your purpose quickly, because the user doesn't know many things. If you select this object for this one, if you select the user grab, like sometimes the kids, older man walking in a VR, then he quickly need to grab. If we give the grab to hand like the or this is the handle, this is the place that should touch, then of course we need to add a part to here. Okay, but for the cup, stack the cup, we better to keep a very quick grab. This is better to cylindrical cylinder, just quickly stack. If you keep the right pose to do this one, okay for complex game. The game should be easy to access, sometimes VR, because headset also new, so the VR sickness is also new for cannot understand about the virtual area, because don't have prior knowledge what is the size, what is the things, and also panic. The better to make it things is much more easier. Of course, like a training person to use the right handle to do something like assembly instruction, like a training the engineer fix the engine, he need to hold his tool in a right place. Is more can make no problem. I mean, if you design a game or application to train the people, then right touchable area or grabbable area of an object or a mesh, you need to precisely define. But for this kind of a tiny stuff like a block arrangement game, or like a chess or whatever, this is okay. This one no problem. Then you just go back to your here. You don't need to define this one. You can just add a Shinder this one. Go to here. You can app this is a bound collider. This one. This one you can make it very quickly. Okay, it's up to your contents. Okay, how? Can you open this one? Sample quickly, make a cube and grab. Okay, how? Do I need to do again? No. You try by yourself. Need to explain again? No. If you want, I can explain again. No problem. You try one time.
I think we can try.
Try. Okay. Where can you find this example? Here. Okay. The place is inside the scenes. Okay. Inside the scenes. And then we have here examples. Okay. And this one is the this one feature touch hand grab. Sample also have this one touch grab, this one. Okay, Docker both okay, but this one is more easier, only one object. Okay, feature touch hand grab the example. Inside have this one, and what did I do? I added the Shinder one. Okay.
就是老师刚才讲的，就是老师重新开始讲，再讲一次嘛。就是你可以先从
Yeah. I think they know.
Yeah, 先从
Here. Scenes
and
the features in here.
Features 这里就有 TouchGrab.
And then the TouchGrab example.
Examples 也有 TouchGrab. 也是可以使用，两个都可以使用。对对。
This one have a kinematic. This one have a physical. That's why. But we did with the physical. Okay.
这个它就有解释。
But this one no need. This one try by yourself later.
这个 个就你们可以自己试试看，老师刚才就是用另外一个。
Okay, let me explain the homework. Please, this countdown timer, this make, but this number, I mean this number where you need to make here, inside. You have a poke feature, poke button. Okay, this one poke button. Inside this poke button, please change this one to countdown.
就是。
or one more this one play, then count down.
老师说就是这次的功课就是 hold button 就是我们之前教的
button press and here make one more text element because in here you can see this one.
然后再加上这个倒数计时啊，或者是重新开始的时间啊，对。
See this one, go to here text, see text, ika text, change this one, okay, here you go to the unity, okay, this one, make a shinda, okay, UI element, this one, text, this one, okay. This one, sorry. Okay, here count. What did you do here?
Test.
Okay.
New test. Oh,
This all you follow.
Countdown test. Countdown test.
Okay, this one very easy. It's not hard. Exactly same thing do. Okay. Only difference. The hard thing is these two connect. When you play button, this need to count. Wait a moment, I can change this one to.
Let's say countdown test. I think it is in the.
Yeah. Inside the mesh. That's why in here, because this is in the inside the. I think you can make a shinda here. You can make a shinda canvas is better. You can make a new canvas. Count. Because it's very far. We need to change this one. world space, you need to change the world. This one need to change the world space. Then, yeah, it's okay.
世界
Okay, then
Oh,
then you
okay.
can change this one too.
Why if we don't change workspace, it can
Because when we
change.
create, he go to the settings, or you know.
因为 workspace 的意思就是这个世界的，
Don't worry. This is the world space. This is the
Yeah.
object space.
yeah,
This is the world chamber.
yeah,
Okay. This ikka object one. This is his local space. Object space, world space. This is the object chamber. When he read, he get as a, you know, the whole space data, because render mode, canvas render mode, he cannot understand.
这样子的，
Okay, this
跑
one.
错图层的意思。
Then you need better.
不算是这样子，就是算是说，像这个空间，它就是一个世界这样子。然后你再去调它的值，对。然后老师现在
Yeah,
就是在
then make a canvas inside here. Then you can make a UI inside, UI text here. Now, okay. For example, maybe countdown. Okay, now you can find it in here. Countdown, you can make it like a 00. 等一下。
大概你得看到。
He went somewhere. This is a line, you can see.
I can see the word says
Wait a moment. Okay, this one, wait, I check. You just do the exercise I said. Just add a cube into that one, okay? Touchable, grabbable, immediately. 5 minutes I can give. You can see the picture in the computer, okay? Because early I made this one, okay? My size was very big early, this one. That's why I cannot find this.
Too big.
Yeah, too big because 0, 0, 0, 1. Now you can see the 0,
Oh, okay.
1. Now you can see the countdown came here.
Yeah.
Then when I push the button, okay, this one start from 10, 7, okay, 10, 9, 8, and finally 0, okay. Very easy, okay. This one is just made here. You first make the canvas, okay, and this one UI element, this one here is exactly similar this, okay.
Okay.
Then later this code write because you need to add a script, a tiny script.
Copy the code.
Copy code or just follow the
type
step.
code.
It doesn't nothing to go nothing to
Oh,
copy, just a 5 lines.
We don't need to type the code in.
Yeah, you can type 5 lines, just 5 lines.
Oh, okay. It's okay. Let's just check.
Yeah, here even you go back. So go here. Okay. If you edit the code here, okay, time delta.
Okay.
This one I'm going to put here, okay.
Thank teacher.
Right,
Thank
stop
you.
here. Maybe this one is,
后面有网路线。
okay, okay, it's stand, okay, no problem.
So,
Maybe this one is where, which one? Circular. Not this example. You want to try this example? Okay, okay. It's okay, no problem.
Excuse me, why can I put this inside?
Because already made. Because this one is not here. Here. Grabbable. Saka. This one we drop to here.
Oh, okay.
Then cube is here. Okay, because here we cannot drop to here. You can grab the grabbable object only.
Oh,
That means a grabbable script should
so
be
we
there.
also need one grab.
No need.
No need.
No need. That one no need.
Okay.
How Zaika physics?
Physics. Oh, physics.
Okay, how? No, rigid body. Not physics, rigid body.ちょっと待って。I think I can. Then physics grabbable. I put there.
Teacher.
Yeah.
Is the order this one or this one and this one's order will influence?
I think this one no problem.
Okay.
Even the box collider is the top is okay.
Or another is the order in this place?
Yeah, this place no
Well,
problem. Yeah,
no.
arrange no problem. This one and this physics grabbable. I think better to. And grabbable also. Okay, physics grab.
If we don't,
I think it's a no big issue because this is just a cube.
if it is not a cube, the order will.
Order don't have problem because it's a script connection only. Yeah, just check there. What happened?
I don't know. It didn't have power. Maybe.
Power gone?
我看起来根本就没有充电。
对，然后好。
Didn't charge?
I didn't put on this.
Even this cannot charge sometimes. That one is faster.
Yeah, but
wait, it cannot work now.
yeah.
Yeah, maybe you just charge
Just
your
let
charger for a while, quickly. No, I think this one you can use. The original charger is faster. This one is faster. You can charge.
Okay.
Here you can use it. Put here. I think you can use here this one. first time compiling. I think better go to save as and save somewhere, because when you're working, did you have this one? A cast need to have same network. Your area also very shorter. Oh, this is your example. You Jintema.
I can say the new one.
This is a new?
This is a new, but I make the same. I make the same different things.
It's okay.
I didn't reload the things.
I think the problem is not there. Problem is here. Your example I can see. Your spray and also Sumiki is still there because you didn't change the path.
I make in the same file.
I think this one doesn't work.
I think no. I didn't
Set up the. Oh, I need to go to here. Didn't compile?
because I didn't connect the Wi-Fi.
The area is very smaller.
Can I change this?
Yeah,
Change the Wi-Fi.
Okay. You can replay again.
My Wi-Fi. J.
I just see that like a JJ or like a GG. I don't know. you compile one again.
This one.
So there. See? Can I? Great. You can see that the gap. Here you can see special thing. This the have to fully yeah. Shut down and bring the I need here because we have cable there. Yeah. Sorry. Hmm?
Just like I use
Maybe help. Nandi. Okay, okay, we can continue. Okay, you can come. Okay, now already finished about the hand grab and pork and pork canvas explain and also ray canvas curved surface, and the final one we make that touch hand grab. Okay, touch hand grab already explained. And now I am going to talk about the pose recording, because a pose we can record like this one, okay, mirror, this one is the similar one. We can record the mirror, we can explain. Okay,
We can change it.
we can record, because a hand pose we can record from here, interaction, hand grab pose recorder. This one we can record the object. For example, what is which hand, we have to select the what is our hand here. For example, I am going to select the right hand. And what is a rigid body? Rigid body is a cup is my rigid body. Okay, and then I need to play the game, play the application, and then I can record the poses. Yeah, different grab. Wait a moment. First, here, inside we have okay. This one is just for information. No, don't worry with this one. Okay, this is just for information. Okay, only thing is a cup inside. Cup have the rigid body, grabbable. Okay.
就是我们一开始抓取那个 grab.
And pointable unit event wrapper. Okay, because this one is for the our grabbable, this one drag and drop into here, because unity event for what we have when we have a runtime, we can assign something value for like audio or whatever things. Okay, then we can visuals, visuals, interactable colors we can assign, but I think this exercise doesn't change the colors. For example, normal color, okay, half a color. For example, if I close to the object become a little bit yellow. Okay, this is one is a select color, probably this. Let's make a change this one. Okay, save. Array. Why? Wait.
Okay.
Sorry, wait, please don't wait. I'm not sure about which one is which. I don't know which one is
Johnny, where
This Johnny is.
uh,
Yes, I think this is Johnny's. Okay. Waiting connection nande. I went to toilet because it lost the connection. You can I use your one? Yeah, you're already there.
in the
But this one already, I think, GG. No. J.
Wait. Yeah.
No, I can't find.
can
Maybe you. I. This one already password save, I think. I can't find Johnny.
The computer still cannot connect.
yeah, it just can't come
Okay, maybe my one. Yeah, this problem they need to solve. Oculus.
这是马克杯的变化吗？
不是，不算是变化，就是说，比如说我们要怎么去拿马克杯？
哦，怎么拿的方式？
对。
Are.
I have Wi-Fi too.
No, wait a moment. This is not the Wi-Fi problem. This is a computer problem. This guy. We put over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes it's too close.
Too close.
No, this is not my. Hey, Wi-Fi.
Is Wi-Fi problem?
Computer cannot detect. Strange.
It's iPhone and
There's Wi-Fi?
No, then now we use so far 2 hours.
Or you can use the
No, cannot.
school. No?
Because a school firewall block this one. It's ridiculous. We need to teach this one, but the firewall. Nothing to do. New Oculus Quest Pro can scan 3D points, then point cloud in your world. I can go to your world. Then we can make the social VR. Yeah, they said January first week, January beginning of this year, they will give the same functionality for Quest 2.
invisible Wi-Fi
那你要烫卷卷，
是 invisible，
而且我烫不卷，我只能维持2天。
but I guess
会吗？是因为
No, my one have name.
一直连不上。
maybe
不然是我开我的时代。
还是太沉浸了，烫。所以张你有烫？我现在也有，之前有。哦。
我这是烫纸，然后过几天就跟卷。
那你是自然卷。啊，好羡慕哦。短发这样子才不会。那这样跟卷力好吗？快2天。对啊，我发现。
是这样连不上。
对。
要这样看。
那这样子才会好吗？
His one can detect, my one cannot detect.
Can you connect it?
Why?
I don't know.
Need to connect inside.
所以是
No, I 2 hours use.
不能监测老师的玩法。不知道为什么不能监测老师？
Invisible mode for ceramic artist. Ceramic artist cloth.
I can live in school.
Why?
I don't know why.
You cannot live in school? You mean
Because I can up just a
表单
okay?
paper，
just a paper menu. I just
我说的是你的 WiFi。
我要告学校。
没有，如果学校来告我，
行政诉讼
退学。不用做壁纸。
公民行政诉讼，直接没有
对啊
这样我伪造文书应该也是可以。
这样有吗？
有吗？
那烫那个配。
I think okay, wait a moment.
哦，这个。
Yeah, cast.
Yes.
这要
OK
特别的吗？发听先生。那我无法停用那个什么，这个 sensor 发，我不知道这是什么。
Pass
发听的题。
pass me.
不会的。
ちょっと待って。
帽子戴帽子，
好。
会被我们昨天要被骂，
Program close over there. You're close. Program.
I don't close my program.
Then homework is clear, no problem. Okay.
我他告诉你，
Homework is just only countdown put in a VR. Okay. Okay. Finally. Okay. Now after grab you can see the okay.
It's counting.
Yeah, this is hover. Okay. This is hover. Okay, hover. Grab. Release. Hello. This is a recorded hand. Okay. This one is a one pose. Okay. Pose 1. This also pose, recorded pose we have. You can see my hand pose and the recorded pose is really different. You see?
Yes, we can see.
Can you see my hand is yeah, this is another error, you know. But actual hand looks like this because this is only visualizing. It's only visualizing. I record the pose like this. If I grab my hand visually, go to here, okay, and this one, see, okay, but I can move like this, see, this finger can track, okay, but other fingers only, see, if I put this, my this even my this two ping, can you see? Yeah, this my these fingers is raised. It's not the curl. Finger is not curl, but still my pose, because this is a recorded pose. This hand is a recorded pose, okay. This one also similar. This is a recorded pose. This is not a realistic pose, okay. Now you can understand one object we can make several poses, okay. Okay, now you understand how to, next is how to record, okay. When we are recording, you need to go to play mode, okay, we need to go to the play mode, and that's why I said please, I sometimes if you too much question, I cannot teach them, you know, it sometimes take a time. Yeah, of course, that's why I said here we record the several poses. This 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi guys, see, this is a recorded pose, okay. This is the recorded pose I show in my runtime view. Okay, I show you. This is another one, runtime view. Even though I didn't curl fully, the finger curl this, okay. This for the left hand. You can only record it for the right hand, okay. If you record it right hand, then you can make here, create a mirror interact, then it will become like a left hand. Yeah, that means you only need one time record one hand, it become to left hand if you make mirror, okay.
If we have less so much, we can you can just
another set we can make using this one, okay. Let's first explain about how to make the different type of poses. Recorder is here, interaction, hand grab pose recorder, 这个 hand grab pose recorder。
现在在教的是就是从 pose 里面你可以去找出，就是现在是用 pose 嘛，然后因为
we need to go synthetic hand or maybe other hand, and then rigid body. What is the rigid body? This is the cup. You need to touch the cup, and then this one. ちょっと待って。
我们要使用的就是使用杯子去，就是像我们一开始学的，用手去抓东西嘛。然后它这个的马克杯，它就有像老师刚才可以自然而然的，就是去抓那些马克，是因为它可以用右手，又可以用左手。然后老师现在设定了一个 mirror，就是
它是一个反射的，都可以使用它。
Are
Yes.
wait.
Yes, now test.
Until he compile, ma'am, I will show this one. Here, okay, and hello. Okay, we have finished the poke hand pose. Now is a hand pose detection. Okay, hand pose detection. To detect the hand, you have to record. Okay, have to record. This one also we already finished. Okay, touch hand grab, and this one the finish last week. Okay, ray interaction. Okay, what else? Yeah, this one we already did lot. Okay. Now key point is interaction design. And also this one also we did last time, physics. Not a distance. Also, not this is a distance grab. Yeah, I think this is the one we explained. You can check later. Okay. Yeah, this is exactly similar one. I think only remaining thing is a hand pose recording only. Okay. All interactions inside the Oculus Quest we have studied. Remember, this is a basic interactor, interactable, and then each interactor have the grabbable, then hand grabbable interactor. Okay, and there's two things: hand grab interactor, hand grab interactable. Two things we have to always remind. Okay, remember, hand poke interactor, hand poke interactable. Okay, this all we studied. Now is only part is we need to remind this one, hand pose detection. Hand pose detection sample you can find here. Example, hand pose detection. This one is a pose detection example. Okay, this one, because this is already recorded. When appear, he can see that the paper scissors stone, paper scissors stone. Okay. Yeah. Tuesday. Wait a moment. Where I was I was in the oh yeah, here, sorry. Hale. Okay, can you see? Okay, and this now is a okay. When we are in a play mode, we need to run. We need to run the play, the game mode. Okay, we need to be in the game mode. Okay, we have to be in the game mode. Can you understand? Hello. You can. You make it. I can't walk. This is just for the visualize, but we cannot go to here because our main part is here. Okay. Hello. We need to be here because this is just for our device view. Okay. But the post recording we can do like this. Okay. We don't need to wear. We can put your someone to keep like this, and then but it's hard. But mostly people how they do like this, then can record the because it's like but this one already now poses there. Okay, if I would like to record a hand pose, specific pose, first thing I need to decide record what is my hand, synthetic hand or right hand. This is a left synthetic hand I select, and what is a rigid body, cup. Okay, cup is my rigid body. Okay, and then if I select this one, this is a new game object generated. Okay, if I record here new object generate, we have to rename it later. Pose for can someone help me to make a two different interfaces here? Just think like this, and if I have the my, you can see this is one of pose, just considered as this pose. Okay, this is a left hand here. What is a space? Okay, I can set up a I can set up the keyboard to press the record. Okay, here the space bar or click here. If I press the space bar, okay, and save into the collection. Save into the collection. If I go to here, it will show in here. This is the save my pose already. Okay, and this one we need to use again to record. Okay, for example, if I want to make a empty game object, wait. Be some problem. Wait a moment. Oh, now made, but I need to exit the play mode. let's go to different sample first. We just we try to make it in here. Okay. There's a problem, students, because you know, when we in the game mode, okay, now this is in the game mode. I can't see the hand. No, it's here, Oculus interactions, the hand grab recorder. Here we select the existing hand, okay, left hand or right hand, and then here is the our object, which object we are going to touch, and then we are in a play mode. Then we can see our hand here. Hello, we can see our hand, but something happened here. Okay, we can pause here. Then we press the space bar, because this one is we set up any key you can set here. Keypad 1 or 2 3 you can set up. Okay, if here is a default is a key, you know, you can hold this one, okay, and no, hold it like this. Hello, because I need to see the hold this one, and when we record the hand, and then we can push this. If I select, then we will make a new game object, okay, and then record, and we exit from the play mode. Okay, exit from the play mode, but you know, we don't have the game object here. Then we can save into the what is a collection, because we have already collection cup generator collection. Save to cup generated collection. Then load from the collection. We can click this one. Okay, with this one, you know, later we load the object. We can have the hand inside. Then we can tweak the positions a little bit. Fingers rotate. I check because of this something connection have here. This is display. I need to double check this. Okay, I think we do this one record part. This is only Handpose recording part only remaining us to do. Okay, and I go back to quickly to here, because this one, okay. Inside this, because the Ken, the boy, he has the chopsticks, his application particle he need to generate particles, and here have the particle example, okay, here, because in this bottle have a two part. Now you can keep here. This bottle has a two part, okay, and one part is sorry, here spray bottle has two part. One part is a cap, bottom part. Cap has a two part. One is here nozzle, okay, nozzle, and other part is a bottle trigger. And nozzle and trigger both we can use hand grab, okay. Here nozzle for we rotate the nozzle, because this one also need to be a rigid body, and also we should have a box collider, because this is a box shape is a box, okay, not a mesh collider, box collider, and have the grabbable interactable. And this one is newly made, they made the how to say, they made the water spray nozzle transformer. This one is a script they made by I mean the Oculus package, integration package. This one, the script has, because this one is going to control our particles here. Hello, can you remember this one? Okay, factor, okay, water exporting factor. This one is in the particle system. We have two things, two particles. One particle is you can see this is spray particles. One is a spread, second one is a stream. First one is a spread, second one is a stream, okay. Two particle systems we have. This one can toggle from here, this one we can use a toggle, this one we can toggle and then make it. And then grabbable interactable have a recorded pose here. This one is use interactable, this one grabbable interactable, this one is a use interactable. Use interactables in here we have inside runtime. We learn grab, hand grab, hands, okay, poke, ray, touch and hand grab. We learn already. These all we have already learned in the class. This is the one we physics velocity calculator also we did. Can you remember last time we sent a ball velocity calculator also we did. Only this one we didn't do. Okay, this is a hand grab use interactor. That means grab and use. This is a grab use. That means we were talking about the interactor group multi. That means one interactor and another interactor together. That means grab, poke and push, or maybe grab and poke. I can grab and poke, or touch and grab. Okay. Now is grab and use. Combine them together. That's why inside here we have our OVR hand interactor. Okay, inside the hand we have this is a left hand. Okay, this is a right hand. This is a typical. Normally we know already. Here has a what is a poke interactor, hand grab interactor. Sukashinda use grab. Use grab interactor. Okay, that means Sanka we have here, this three. This one is a poke interactor, hand grab interactor. Okay, if you want, this one also can do, but now no need. Okay, except this he put this one synthetic hand. Synthetic hand important because synthetic hand is the one we recorded our hand information, we transfer through the synthetic hand. Okay, and this two. That's why we have here recorded 3 poses. 2 poses we have. One pose is our hand. This one, okay, and mirror this one. That means our hand has a one time right hand grab, okay, and use hand grab like this, grab, okay, and then this hand grab like this. Therefore, this one is a hand, use hand, and this is a mirror. If I make this one and then I can go to the my the hand pose detector like this one, Windows, Oculus, interaction, and hand grab pose. No, this one. Oh, it's already there. Okay, no problem. I will talk this one later. Okay, this one is a one left right hand. This one for the left hand. Okay, and then also I use the this one is a use hand. This hand, hand grab interactor. Okay. This one also we have mirror. Okay, we have mirror, and this is for the nozzle. Nozzle have a mirror. If I use from this side, also have the 2 kind. And then what we are doing, we are working with a spray bottle nozzle. This is our pose. Okay, this one we need to add the hand grab interactable and hand grab pose. This hand grab pose is what? This one we can drag and drop into here. If I drag and drop in this one, is it this one? Okay, this one. But actually this one we grab this one. Where is he? Okay, this is a mirror one. Actually this is the one we need to put here. Okay, then all recorded poses we can later add into here. This one how to find here? Hand sorry no uso hand pose, hand grab pose, 这个 hand grab point, this hand grab pose, this, okay, 这个 see, then he came, it artificially came, but we need to tell him what is the place, okay, surface, because here what is object we need to tell. Okay, then this one is a spray nozzle. Okay, if you would like to use this one, then you have a spray, this is spray nozzle or spray container. Okay, if you grab the container, and then here you can see the surface. This one is our recorded one. Okay, for example, if I would like to make this one, drag and drop into here. Okay, any pose. This is a bottle. For example, if I have this, okay, this is object. Okay, this should be the container. Object is here. What is the pose? This is a pose. This is recorded. This pose need to match into here. That means object there. This is, if I move to here, then he will quickly make imitate this pose. Yeah.
就是老师用这个洒水器做示范，就是洒水器分成两个部分，一个是洒水器的喷头跟那个这叫什么？
你抓的那个
喷的把手做示范，就是它有不同的，就是 Handpose pose， 就是它有不同的，比如说像老师刚才说那个洒出水的大小，一个是直的，一个不是
是散开的嘛，那它就可以用，就是你用 Handgrab pose， 然后你就可以去转动它，一个转的话，它就可以变成直的，那转另外一边的话，它可以就变成撒开来的。然后另外一个是，就是老师有说到，你可以用左手或者是就是左手或右手，然后或者是按压的方式去使用它。可是这个使用的方式是用到 hand grab use， 就是
interact hand grab
hand
use interact
hand grab use
interact。
对，要用到这个东西，就是它就是，比如说转动的方式可能要跟其他东西结合，比如说，因为我们教过了其他的，比如说 grab 或者是 poke， 你可以使用这两个加起来，然后去结合它，然后就有不同的转动方式，对，然后就可以制作成像刚才那样的东西，对。
听不懂？有。This is getting weird. I need to check this one because no, wait a moment. Sometimes very low resolution, you know. 等一下。
你要不要吃东西？
Yeah, here. Okay, this one, and I can grab like this. Okay, this is a okay, and this one is a pose I can see. Hello. This is a particle.
Switch.
Like this particle, you can show, I can. This one need to move like this. See, this is only recorded pose. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
好玩哦，苹果，然后它可以侦测出我的手吗？这样子。
应该已经锁定了。
好酷哦，超细，很细致。对啊，很精致。
Two hand have to set.
One each hand need to set because if you put a mirror, then no problem. Because in here you already set up. See, and this is the this is the hand for right hand. Hand grab interact. Yeah, in the grab hand grab use interact, hand grab pose, hand grab pose, and a pose we need to decide what is the pose here. Okay, primary connecting, and this one is a second interact is important because grab is a primary interactor. Hand grab interactable is a primary interactor. Grab E, second interactor is a hand use interactable. That's why this one drag and drop into here. Drag and drop into here. Yanka. And then this one is left hand because this is a right hand. This is a left hand after mirroring. That's why he have a mirror. Same E under hand grab use interactor. Hand grab pose. And then this one is a secondary interactor filter. You can add a secondary interactor filter. This one we can select what is the one, and then you drag this one is the hand grab. Hand this one, see, you can find what is the hand grab interactor. Okay, then this one. And she asked the why is a spray particles here. This is a particle stream.
就是它这个就是改变水的那个，
变成粒子。
就是怎么讲？
你去转，
它转
用手去转动它。
它有时候变粒子嘛，然后有时候是一束嘛，对不对？
有时候是一束，有时候是。
刚刚那都是粒子。
sorry.
Yeah, it's like a Maya particle. This one have a emitter. This emitter, emitting shapes. Okay, what is emitting shape? You can make the what is a cone or maybe dots or you can donut. You can tell the pose. Okay, this is a conical spray now. Okay, and the render here has a render. Particles yeah. Here also set up color over lifetime. Okay, there may be this is a lifetime like Maya. We set up the colors. Then when he spray, he's blue. Then he particle down. For example, if you want to make this one, you this purple. In the in the color green, this is become sleepy. Soon finish, I know.
No, we can end as yellow. It's okay.
And now you see that this is the color over lifetime, size over lifetime, size. When we make is a tiny, it's like a house shape. Particle particle is smaller. When time pass, particle become bigger. Okay, that's a particles. And this one, you can see that what is the difference is here. Yeah, and he made a shape to cone is more larger, angle is larger, and the stream is you can see the cone like this. Okay, if you want to change the one, you want to right click, go to here effects, particle system. So change, see. Down you can change angle. Yeah, gravity modifier, put the 9 down. No, particle is very modifier 0, because here main thing system play on display. This one is a don't play until you know. Okay, there's a difference. We add the play. Spray nozzle former. Okay, then reference point, the reference point, and it's make like this. See, okay, hand grab a nozzle, right hand, left hand, right hand, and this is for the grab. This one use hand. Okay, this is grab only. What is the grab? Hand grab interactor. Grab interactor, we have a different kind of pinch, but our earlier did all. That's why we drag everywhere, pinch it, everything we made like. But this time only palm. That's why palm grab. Okay, I think maybe we can continue this recording one next Tuesday and then finish it. Okay, And then my point is, next thing I want to make this for you guys to your stack game, couple game, like a 100, then count down. If you finish quickly, 100% marks or something. Just for the game.
思思的作业是说，是刚才有上传一个对档案，然后去用那个就是我们就是老师教的东西去做一个游戏的小游戏，我们可以让那个之类的，或者是数字上升也可以。
Okay.
数字下降啊，上升。
Okay. Now, what happened to our particle?
老师问你们有什么？
See, this is my particle.
It's a last note.
Yeah, it's about this direction. Here. That poison one. Hello? Can you see?
We can see
Poison water. And then far, because the life, when it's going too far, I mean, it become a green. But here is very close.
It's pink. I like it. It's pink.
Okay, but this one is don't have, because we didn't change that particle. Okay, how? Okay, enough. Okay, we continue next week. Okay. Then all things follow this document where? 这个 no, Chinese one. Where's Chinese one? 这个 Yeah. Read this one.
Okay.
I already put in the group. Yeah. Because this all we learn, okay? Just for in case you forget it. Okay. One thing I didn't, you do by yourself. This one, sorry. 这个 here sample scene, example distance grab. This one compile and see what will happen. Can discuss distance grab. I wanted to touch that wall or something. It's not like a ray, but the different ray. Okay. This is check because this one is this. Okay. This one. Ray we did one is very straight, but this ray is you check later distance grab. Distance grab in here. The runtime. This is a runtime, prefab, and distance grab. It's okay. Distance grab interactor. This came from 46 or 43 version. Early when we starting course, this was not there. Maybe about one month they updated. Yeah, this one. Okay, how? Okay, then Jayo.